beautiful people. How are you today? I hope you're doing great. I am great. Today we are learning how to make borders. When I'm talking about borders, I'm talking about borders used for decorating the edges of cardboard. The borders that teacher made to decorate the edges of their teaching aids. That's the border I'm talking about. The material needed for creating these borders are: first, you need your scissors, a pair of scissors, you need your pencil, eraser, blade, you need your marks and tape, and we need our papers. We have different papers. We have sugar paper. This is called sugar paper. When you turn it to the front and you turn it to the back, it's having the same color. The sugar paper is green, the front is green, the back is green. And this paper we have right here is the one called fluorescent paper. This is fluorescent paper, orange fluorescent paper. When you look at it, you can see the front is orange and the back is not same. The back is showing white. This is how to identify a fluorescent paper. At the front, the color, you see the color, but at the back it's white. This is a fluorescent paper, and this right here is sugar paper. I'm sure you can note the differences between the two. This is sugar paper and this is fluorescent paper. This is cardboard, or white cardboard. Remember, all these materials can be gotten from the bookshop at affordable prices. Alright, let's get started. I'm making use of the sugar paper. The first step is to fold your sugar paper in this manner. Fold it neatly. Can you see? Then you cut. Making use of this to do the border. The next thing you do is to fold. Fold it neatly. Neatly in this manner. Then you fold again, again, fold it again. You keep folding it. Can you see how done? You can cut this out. Smoothing the edges and the other edge. The next step is to get your pencil and draw a zigzag. Alright, before you do that, look at this edge here, the opened edge here, and the other open edge here. You're going to draw a zigzag using your pencil. And the other side, you draw a zigzag with your pencil. Can you see that? You draw the zigzag on the open edges here, not the closed one. Then the next thing you do is to cut out. Follow the line of the pencil and cut out like this. see the outcome? See how beautiful it is. Then you cut the other side. You have what we have after cutting the edges. Now on the closed edge, with your pencil, okay, this time around you don't need a pencil, you can just use your scissors straight away. You cut, you keep cutting, keep cutting, you cut again, keep cutting, and on the other side you do same, you cut. Your cutting shouldn't be too deep. You cut, remove your scissors, you cut again, you cut again, you cut, make another cut, another one. Don't forget, the cutting shouldn't be too deep. Alright, so this is what we have. The next thing now is to get your pencil and you cut this side out. After cutting, you have something like this. Let's finish the cutting. The cardboard is ready. The next thing is to paste the borders on the cardboard. This is where we are going to need our marking tape. You cut a little, fold it in this manner, attach it to the back. This manner, attach it to the back. You have this. Now you paste. This is the end result. Beautiful, isn't it? It's nice, beautiful. You can try this out also. It's very easy and simple. Don't forget to share this video, like and subscribe.